Hello friends, in this video, let's learn how to read and analyze Shenandoah GC log file. When the Shenandoah GC was originally invented by Red Hat Linux, now I think it's actively maintained and contributed by Amazon. Friends, the Shenandoah GC log file contains wealth of information which is often used to troubleshoot out-of-memory errors or memory leaks and also used to optimize the garbage collection performance as well. And this is how your Shenandoah GC log file looks like. Right? You can see there are a lot of text, a lot of numbers, a lot of things are flowing on here. Let's just take one single Shenandoah GC event and let's see what information it carries, right? So, okay. And this is how one single Shenandoah GC event looks like. One single Shenandoah GC event is printed across multiple lines in your log file. The very first element, what is printed is the timestamp at which this GC event got triggered. So we can see this event got triggered on 2024, December 25th at 12:42 in the midnight, it got triggered. And the second element, it tells the count, that is, it says 12, that means this is a 12th GC event that got triggered since the JVM was started. Friends, one single Shenandoah GC event has multiple phases like initial remark, concurrent marking, final mark, concurrent cleanup. So it has multiple phases. So this tells what are the phases and how much time that each phase took. And friends, towards the end, you can see at the end of the last phase, it tells what is your heap size during this event. So you can see before this event, the size of this heap was 38, it was 3.8 GB, right? It's 3.8 GB. Once this event ran, it cleared a lot of objects from the memory. So now the size dropped to 871 megabyte. And now what you see within the parentheses is your overall heap size now. Overall heap size is 29 megabyte. Right? That's what it's telling. So friends, this is just one event. There's multiple events. So trying to understand all of them within a text file and try to get a sense out of this can be a little bit tedious and intimidating. That's why if you want to use some GC log analysis tools, like GCEC is one of them, which is available online. You can also download and install on your local machine. So now let me try to upload the log file that we trying to read. So I selected the log file, I uploaded. Once I upload immediately, so the tool analyzes and then it reports if there are any generates a report immediately. If there are any problems, it reports these are the problems: safe point duration, long pass. And if you want to see how to reduce it also gives you recommendations on how to reduce it. If the long pass, how to reduce it, click here. Here also you can see it gives what are the key performance indicators of GC and how is the heap usage looking like. What is your duration times? You can see the different phases. What are the phases and how much detailed metrics of how much each phase is consuming, right? You get all this information here. Okay, friends, with this, you can optimize your garbage collection performance, right? Okay, friends. Thank you, everyone. Bye.